Welcome to Nutraceuticals Group's U.S. production hub in Tampa, Florida, where science, innovation, and technology converge to shape the future of functional ingredients. This GMP and HACCP certified facility is built for precision. Our systems handle everything from herbal extracts and nutraceutical powders to cosmetic, food, fruit, and vegetable ingredients with maximum efficiency and purity. From drum-to-hopper blends ranging from 25 to 2,500 kilos, we offer scalable solutions from simple single-component mixes to complex formulations with up to 50 ingredients. Every product is backed by our team of specialized food scientists, ensuring quality, safety, and performance in every batch. With operations in the US, UK, and EU, we deliver consistent, compliant products fast and at scale. We don't just supply ingredients, we bring innovation to life. Explore more nutraceuticalsgroup.com.